Editing talking head video sucks. You sit there scrubbing timelines, getting out the awkward silences and bad takes for hours. But what if I told you an AI tool could do all of that and even add captions, zooms, and chapters for you automatically? Well, meet Gling AI, your new time-saving sidekick. Gling AI is a smart desktop video editor built specifically for creators who talk to the camera. It automatically detects and removes silent parts, filler words, and even those cringy mess-ups we all wish never happened. Then it polishes the final cut by adding smooth jump cuts, smart captions, background noise removal, and even YouTube-ready titles and chapters. Whether you're a YouTuber, educator, or course creator, this tool can literally save you hours, and it's free to try. So before we begin, let's see what users are saying about it. So Gling AI currently has very limited reviews on Trustpilot, just one to be exact. So while it's listed, there's not enough feedback there to draw any real conclusions. For now, it's better to rely on user experiences shared on Reddit, Product Hunt, and YouTube reviews. Now let's discuss the core features of Gling AI one by one. Let's start with the upload experience. As soon as you drag and drop your video file into Gling AI, it does way more than just import the footage. Gling automatically loads your video into a clean editing interface, and it transcribes the entire thing into a script view. This is where the magic starts. On the left, you'll see your spoken words neatly laid out like a document. It's not just subtitles, it's fully editable script text split by sentences or phrases. Each sentence is synced with the video timeline below. So instead of watching your entire video back and cutting manually, you can literally just highlight parts of the script you don't want. And Gling will remove those exact video segments instantly. It's like editing your video the same way you'd edit a blog post. This makes it ridiculously easy to cut awkward pauses, filler words, or entire tangents without needing to scrub through timelines like cavemen. So that's the end of feature number one. Now let's move on to feature number two. So once your video is loaded and transcribed, Gling doesn't stop at editing. It also helps you enhance your final output with just a few toggles. Click the Enhance tab and you'll see a powerful set of tools to instantly polish your video without needing advanced software or editing skills. So here's what's inside. Smart Captions automatically generates and styles captions over your video. They are clean, readable, and help retain viewer attention, especially on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. Jump Cut Zoom. This feature creates smooth zoom-ins during jump cuts, making transitions more dynamic and helping to cover up any cuts that might feel jarring. B-roll adds relevant stock visuals to match your script. It is available in premium plans. It is great for storytelling and engagement. Enhance Audio cleans up background noise, balances levels, and gives your voice a sharper, more studio-like sound. AI Studio adds intelligent visual flair and motion to match the tone of your script, also under premium. Think of it like an AI video editor tweaking things behind the scenes. You can mix and match these enhancements as needed. It's honestly one of the fastest ways to go from raw webcam footage to polished content-ready post. All right, now that your content looks and sounds pro level, that's the end of feature number two. Now let's move on to feature number three. Gling AI isn't just a one video editor. You can upload and work with multiple files inside the same project. It is perfect if you're piecing together several clips for one cohesive video. You'll see each file listed in the Files tab where you can drag in new footage and hit Process New Files to transcribe and prep them. It's super fast. Now here's the smart part. Gling lets you treat each clip like its own chapter. This makes organizing your content incredibly easy. You can either let Gling automatically create chapters based on your script, or you can name each section manually. This is especially useful for course creators, video essays, or multi-topic videos where clarity and flow matters. And if you don't like the suggested titles, just click Regenerate. Gling will use its AI smarts to give you a better one. All right, now that you've uploaded, enhanced, and organized your videos, let's talk about who this tool is really built for. So Gling is perfect if you make talking head YouTube content, record online courses or educational material, run video podcasts, create reels or shorts from longer videos, hate editing but want clean professional results. Even if you know zero about editing, this tool does the heavy lifting for you. Of course, no tool is perfect. Here are a few things Gling could improve. Sometimes the AI cuts can feel too aggressive, so a bit more slider control would help. Currently, it only supports English. Multilingual support would be a big win. Some users report laggy performance or rendering bugs depending on their device specs. That said, Gling is still evolving and their team seems super active with updates. And if you're ready to try it, I've added a link below. You can use it to try Gling AI for free. And in case you're wondering, there's no public API key yet since it's a standalone desktop app, but they'll open it up to developers later. So here's my final verdict. Gling is one of the best tools out there if you want to edit fast and focus more on creating. For solo creators and YouTubers, it turns hours of editing into minutes. Sure, it's not a replacement for full-blown editors like Premiere or Resolve if you're doing cinematic projects, but for talking straight to camera and you want to look clean, sharp, and professional without drowning in timelines, then Gling AI is a no-brainer. Give it a spin with the link below and let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools that save you time and make your life easier. And remember, let the AI do the boring part so you can focus on the fun part.